First time through Meldon Lock, I was 23. Green as the willows, right in the head of the toe on my knee. Water dropped like thunder, gates groaned open wide. Old captain just pointed and said, "Boy, watch how she slides." I stood there white-knuckled, dreaming of the day these sticks would tremble 'cause I made them obey. I watched fog dance on the water like ghosts at a ball. I heard thunder clap so close it rattled my soul. Hailstones big as quarters, bouncing off the wheelhouse glass. Stood the midnight watch alone while the whole world passed. Seen good men go overboard and never come home. Left their laughter in the wake. The river keeps them close. One more bend, one more sunrise on the water. One more cup of black coffee getting colder. I gave this river everything a man can give. She gave me back a life I was proud to live. I'll miss her voice, miss her wild heart. But there's a porch light burning where my grandbabies are. One more bend, then I'm coming home. Push black coal barges, chemicals riding low. A tow so long it vanishes where the Ohio meets the glow. Triple screws singing their lullaby, steady as a prayer. Every scar on these hands earned the right to be there. I've cursed her in the ice, thanked her in the dawn. Loved her like a woman who never done me wrong. 45 years she waited with that porch light on. Raised our babies on river tales from dusk until dawn. Our daughter still calls to say she's proud as can be of the man who tamed the bands and brought stories to me. Every call from some far dock, I'd hear her quiet plea. Come home safe, old man, that's all we need from thee. I gave the river my youth, gave her all my prime. Now it's time to let her find another. I'm finally mine. One more bend, one more sunset painted gold. One more logbook page before the story's told. I gave this river every year I had to give, and she gave me memories worth more than I could live. Lord, I'll miss her voice, her wild, untamed call. But family's waiting, my daughter's proud, standing tall. One more bend, then I'm easing her down, old girl. And tell my girl and tell my sons I'm proud of them and all they've done. Not a single night or passing day did I not miss you all more than words can say. I'm coming home soon. Coming home to stay.